So the first thing we're going to do is multiply out these polynomial expressions. So we have x squared times x, which is x cubed, plus x squared times 2, which is 2x squared. And then we have plus 5x times x, which is 5x squared. And then plus 5x times 2, which is 10x. Now I'm gonna rewrite this, make it a little bit simpler. So we have x cubed plus 7x squared plus 10x. Okay. So now we're going to take the derivative of this expression here. So we have f prime of x equals d dx of that expression So now I want to take the derivatives of each of these terms. I'm going to pull out the constants if I can. So we have d dx of x cubed plus 7 times d dx of x squared plus 10 times d dx of x. That is equal to 3x squared plus 7 times 2x plus 10 times 1, which is also equal to 3x squared plus 14x plus 10. That's your final answer. So, but first, another thing is we want to check and prove that you can't just take the derivatives of these two things and then multiply them together. So, if we took the derivative of that first one, x squared plus 5x, I should say, does not equal that, times the derivative of this, you can see that this is the same as times 1 that does not equal what we came out with, which was 3x squared. Oh, that doesn't look nice. 3x squared plus 14x plus 10. So that shows you that this is our derivative and that you can't just take the derivatives and multiply them together. There you go.